Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install TestNG in Eclipse for Selenium. So before we start, first of all, if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and we can start the video now. So first of all, we have to install the Java and then Eclipse. So I'm going to show you how to install Eclipse and Java. So we are basically doing it from the start. So first of all, go to the browser and go to the Eclipse download site. Then click on this download link and it will download the setup. I'm not going to install it, download it, because I have already installed the installer. Download the installer, sorry. So next thing we have to do is we have to download the Java Jdk. So to install, just go to the Java Jdk site and click on the .exe file. So again, I have already downloaded it. So now we have to come to the installation part. So go to the downloads folder, and first we are going to install the Java Jdk. So double click on the installer. Click next, accept, next, next, and install. So basically it will take some time. Actually it is required for Eclipse. I'm going to show you how to install Eclipse also. And if you are new to this channel, kindly hit subscribe button. Okay, now Java is installed. So we can verify it. Open CMD and type Java-version. As you can see, Java is installed. So now we have to install the Eclipse. So double click on the installer. And here you can select the first one. I'm going to select the first one. If you can select, you can select the enterprise version also. So click on the first link, and here you can see Java is required. You can see also the Java is showing on the top. So accept it, and now installation is starting, and it will take some time also. After that, I'm going to show you how to install TestNG. So launch the Eclipse installer, click on launch. Okay, now it is starting the Eclipse ID. It is taking a time now, so we have to wait for it. Once it will be launched, then I will show you. Okay, now as you can see, we have to click on the launch button here. Okay, now it is starting the ID. Okay, now as you can see, it is started now. So what we have to do is we have to go to the help option. Click on the help. And then we have to go to the Eclipse marketplace. Okay, just a second, it is loading right now. You have to be patient while installing all this. Okay, now type test ng in capital, and click on the go option. Now it is searching in the marketplace. Okay, now as you can see, it is showing TestNG for Eclipse. We have to click on the install. Now it is searching for the features here, and we have to accept the terms and condition. Click next. So as you can see, it is showing installing software. So it is installing TestNG right now. And one thing that I have to tell you about, you can see, yes, this security warning. So you can click on the install anywhere right now. You just ignore this warning. And now your software is installing. And once it will be installed, then it will ask you for the restart. So I'm going to click on the restart now button. It will restart the Eclipse IDE, not the system. As you can see, Eclipse IDE is now starting, and we have to wait again. So now our TestNG is installed in Eclipse, and once it will be started, then I will verify it also. So see how easy to install TestNG in Eclipse for Selenium. Right now it is starting, so we have to wait here. Okay, now it is started. So we have to verify whether it is installed or not. So we have to go click in the Windows option and go to the show view and click on others. Here you can expand the Java directory, and you will see the TestNG folder here. So it means that TestNG is installed successfully. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button below, and goodbye.